You've made the commitment to become a great real estate agent. And then all of a sudden, the first thing you've got to do is that you've got to learn how to prospect. And all of a sudden, you've got all of these areas that you've got fear, where you need to build courage. Who do you call? What do you say? How do you actually get an appointment? And what happens when you find someone who's a seller? How do you actually get them to say, yeah, come over to my place and give me an idea on what my house is worth? You see, this is about learning how to build incredible capabilities. We've worked with thousands of real estate agents in 5 different countries in hundreds of call sessions and given them the essence of what it takes to be an incredible real estate agent in your ability to be able to generate leads. At Prospecting School, I'm going to take you through how to set up and establish your database, how to actually work with all of those people that are already inside of your existing customer base, how to generate more leads than you'll ever need, from the way that you work with buyers, how you work with past clients, landlords, right the way through to old market appraisals and finding opportunities where no one else sees them. We're going to give you confidence about how to use the phone. We're going to help you to build new capabilities in how to book appointments so that every single call that you make either ends up in permission to build a relationship or gets you an appointment with the customer. This is an incredible half day that you'll leave feeling empowered, driven, energetic, and with all the tools, scripts, and dialogues that you'll ever need to generate the leads for the rest of your career. We look forward to seeing you at Prospecting School, either online or in person.